Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatima and welcome to our Haadi Ramadan Iftar show. Today we will be making Orangeade. Allah makes sure Ramadan comes in all seasons. This year, Ramadan is going to be in the last day of winter and there's going to be lots of oranges. Did you know that oranges are full of vitamin C? In Ramadan, you may feel a little weak, and oranges are very healthy for you. They give you lots of energy and lots of water. Let's get started. The ingredients we need are oranges, lemons, strawberries, honey or maple syrup. Maple syrup is a natural sweetener that's better than sugar and it gives you lots of energy. First we will need to juice our oranges. Then we're going to add the strawberries at the bottom of the cup. And then we're going to add the syrup. And then we're going to add the lemon juice. And then after lemon, we're going to add the orange juice. Yummy orangeade is ready for iftar or suhoor. Ramadan Kareem.